Tension in Imo Assembly as PDP lawmakers shun plenary session. 6 lawmakers of the Imo State House of Assembly, under the platform of the People Democratic Party (PDP), have shunned plenary session of Tuesday over reasons best known to them. Imo Assembly had resumed sitting after 2 months of annual leave. Resuming their legislative activity 2 days ago, Trumpeter Assembly vibes keenly noticed the conspicuous absence of the minority caucus of the House. Neither any of the following members, Anyadike Nwosu, Frank Ugboma, Oke Anyakamma, Philip Ejiogu, Tochi Okereke, and Solomon Anukam were seen inside the chamber at the time the House sat for lawmaking. However, Nwosu and Onyekamma later came an hour after an adjournment and drove out immediately. Against the usual practice, due to the absence of the minority leader, the Chief Whip, Honorable Arthur Egwim, had to serve as the minority leader by seconding where necessary. Meanwhile, reasons for their absence are yet uncertain, even as feelers have it that it may not be unconnected with either the controversies surrounding the administration of criminal justice law (ACJL) or the ongoing case of Chief Emeka Ihedioha and Hope Uzodima's emergence as the governor. While their decision to boycott sitting at the resumption date left many wondering all effort to speak with Honorable Oke Onyekamma and Honorable Anyadike Nwosu or any other member in the minority proved abortive as they brazenly declined talking to assembly vibes. It was a surprise package from the Imo State Legislature to Imo people on Tuesday following a sitting adjournment till October 6, 2020. This was after enjoying a whole 2-month holiday recess, as the assembly temporarily complex along the Hero Square Boulevard Owerri bubbled with the presence of people who came to know what the lawmakers had in stock for the state. They received disappointment with the news of adjournment without any item on the other paper discussed or deliberated on. On entering the chambers, the Speaker, Chiji Collins, called for an adjournment as moved and seconded by Honorable Uche Ogbuagu and Otto Egwim, respectively. Apart from the absence of the minority members that gave those in the gallery concern, the manner the House ended was more like a drama. According to the Speaker, the essence of the adjournment was in order to enable the lawmaker join in a state and federal function that Tuesday. Another questions begin for an answer is whether or not they will have the time to sit on the adjourned dates, or would there be another state federal function? Thank you for listening to this news. If they don't want to work, they should tell the states. If they are not ready to resume, they should tell the states. If they are tired of working, they should tell the states and stop big man rolling and stop deceiving themselves. All in the name of we are lawmakers. Which kind of lawmakers are they that will come for a sitting and leave within 5 seconds? What's the essence of sitting? And at the end of the day, they will collect their salary for sitting. They pay them for sitting. Do you know what these lawmakers collect for just a sitting? Yet they will sit and will not deliberate on the important issues concerning the state and arrive at a conclusion. So what's the essence of sitting? What's the essence of coming? And at the end of the day, they'll claim that they'll put it in the minutes that they sat and this is what they discussed. And at the end of the day, nothing will be achieved. You can see the attitude of these lawmakers that was elected. You can see. This is why we say that some persons doesn't want to be elected, doesn't want to be on that seat. Is it not a disgrace? Is it not a disgrace? If they are not ready to work, let them tell the people, and the people will know the next line of action. They will know if to call on the federal government so that they can help them conduct another election and know the next person to elect. You can see. You see, this is why I said we are in a very weak. This is why this man said that that President Buhari should do away with the incompetent aides around him. The same thing goes to this charge and bail governor Hope Uzodinma. As he's a charge and bail, that is how the people working in his administration are charge and bails. The same thing goes to the lawmakers in Imo State. They are all charge and bails. So if they know that they are not ready to work, they should leave. They should leave. They should leave and give us some space. You understand? And let those that are ready to work work. You get it? It's an error. It's a very big error. Having sitting and never deliberated on anything and just left without arriving at the conclusion of any matter discussed. If they are having beef, they should have it within themselves, but they should not have it at the expense of the people's needs. The people have come to listen and see what the lawmakers have for them. Let them know that okay, this is the new decision of the lawmakers for the state. This is what we came up. This is what we have decided that the state are going to have. Okay, what do you people discuss? Nothing. My viewers, I won't lie to you. We are as we are suffering from the federal level, that's how we are suffering from the state level. Yeah. That's how we are suffering the state level. You get it? So, I would say that the Imo House of Assembly should be called to order. The governor Hope Uzodinma, I don't know him. I don't know what he's up to, and I don't know the plan he has. Whatever is his plan, he should make sure he carries them out well, because not arriving at anything and left like that is an error. Okay, so my viewers, what's your take? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.